Hello everyone,
It's Reggie Roo here.
do you know what a ferry is? A ferry is a boat used to carry people, cars, and cargo across water. They come in all sizes. Here comes a large black ferry with some people on board. Can you see them wave? Hello! The water is very calm today. You can see a reflection of the ferry in the water. The ferry glides slowly into the harbor. The harbor is where the ferry stops. Looks like this ferry is resting here for the night. Have you ever caught a ferry? Along comes the black ferry again. This time, it's stopping at a dock. The hull opens up like a giant mouth so the people can get on and off. Wow. Look at the hull close. Jump. Now, a big blue ferry opens up its hull. Do you think they should get on? Yes, on they get. The ferry sails along a beautiful fjord. A fjord is a water inlet that is very deep and has very high sides. There's the captain steering the ferry. The people can sit inside or up on the top deck to watch the scenery go past. The ferry is going to drop some of the people off now. The captain carefully steers the ferry into the dock. A perfect landing, and the people all walk off. Now the ferry motors away, followed by a lot of noisy seagulls. The blue ferry disappears behind the clouds. Hooroo! To see more things that go, click on the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe.